Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create drop-down menus for your Shopify store, just like the pros do. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to organize your navigation so your customers can easily find products or collections. Whether you're brand new to Shopify or just looking to spruce up your store's layout, you'll find these steps practical and easy to follow. Let's get started by heading to your Shopify dashboard. First, you'll want to navigate to Online Store on the left sidebar. If you're not familiar with this area, think of it as the control panel for how your website looks and feels. Once you're there, click on Themes. This is where Shopify stores the design of your site. You'll see your current theme, and from here, click on Customize. Opening up the customizer lets you visually adjust how your store appears to visitors, kind of like rearranging furniture in a room so everything fits just right. Once you're inside the customizer, take a look over to the right side of the window. You should see the option to edit your store's menus. Find the one labeled Main Menu. This is typically where your most important links live. The navigation bar at the top of your site. Go ahead and click Edit on the main menu. Now, you'll see all your current menu items. To create a drop-down menu, we're going to add a few new items. Click on Add Menu Item. For this demonstration, let's say we want a drop-down featuring different product categories. Type Shoes in the name box, then link it directly to your shoes page or collection. If you don't have a shoes page yet, you can always create a general link just to practice. Click Add Menu Item again and type in Clothing. Then link that to your clothing page or a random page if you're just testing things out. Next, add accessories in the same way. Here's something helpful. You don't need to worry if you don't have everything perfectly organized for your demo. Any page will do to start. The main thing is to get comfortable with the steps. Once you have these 3 new menu items, shoes, clothing, accessories, it's time to create the actual drop-down effect. This next step might seem a little fiddly, but it's straightforward once you get the hang of it. Simply click and drag each of the product categories underneath a parent menu item, such as Catalog. This process is like nesting folders within other folders on your computer. You'll see them indent, showing they're now sub-items. That indentation is what creates the drop-down menu for users on your site. When you've arranged everything the way you want, don't forget to click Save. This locks in your changes so you won't lose any of your hard work. There's an additional menu type setting. Make sure to set the group as a drop-down. This tells Shopify to style it as a drop-down, rather than just a flat list. Once you've done that, hit Save one last time. Your changes are now live. You can preview your site and test the new drop-down menu, making sure each link works and is easy for your customers to navigate. If something doesn't look quite right, don't worry. It's easy to jump back in and tweak the menu until it fits your store perfectly. And that's how you create a drop-down menu in Shopify. It might feel a bit technical at first, but trust me, with a few tries, it's like riding a bike. Easy once you know how. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Leave any questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching.